Hi friends, this video is related to Indian polity, very important MCQs question series part 13. In this series you will have only questions. In the upcoming videos you will receive the answers of these questions. Please examine yourself by answering the questions in the comment box. Let us start the questions. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for A. 4 years, B. 6 years, C. 5 years, D. 3 years. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next, which one of the following writs is considered a bulwark of individual freedom? A. Century, B. Quo Warranto, C. Habeas corpus, D. Mandamus. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The first linguistic state of India. A. Haryana, B. Gujarat, C. Andhra, D. Tamil Nadu. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The union territories which have no legislatures of their own laws are enacted by the A. President, B. Union Law Ministry, C. Union Parliament, D. Supreme Court of India. Next question. Provisions related to emergency are in which part of the Indian Constitution? A. Part 18, B. Part 3, C. Part 5, D. Part 9. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The idea of the justice in the preamble of the Constitution of India has been borrowed from A. Russian Revolution, B. French Revolution, C. American Revolution, D. Japanese Revolution. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. Who appoints the Chief Information Commissioner of the state? A. President, B. Governor, C. Chief Minister, D. Prime Minister. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Next question. The following article of the Indian Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability. A. Article 14, B. Article 18, C. Article 17, D. Article 19. Friends, please comment the answers on the comment box. Okay friends, now I am closing this series. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and support me. If you want any subjects MCQs like this, please comment on the comment box. Okay friends, have a nice day. Bye bye.